Wanted to ask you your experience of the organization with regards to Sifi's products and services. How has your organization and business benefited?
Yeah, see that we are a e-commerce the service provider, so we have got a lot of dependency on the information technology and the stuff. So we have used CP services as a telecom service provider. Okay, and we are actually using these services from multiple the all the major telecom service provider. So we have also experienced the CP services. So one of the major things that we have noticed is basically the responsiveness of the sales and service team is something is which is noteworthy. And this today's the session through this today's session, I understand that there are a lot of new services the CFI is launching, and which maybe this will be interesting in future to engage with CFI and see these some of the services like the SAP on CFI cloud, the implementation of HANA, and the managed services on SAP. So those are some of the services, newer services which we will be interested.
And so, like you mentioned, that you'll be interested in Sifi's future roadmap. So, what is your perspective on that? Like, how far would your company's future needs be filled by that?
See, I think this the IT needs are increasing day by day. Okay, and we in the e-commerce field we are doing lot of new the projects, and each of these projects requires the requirement in terms of the infrastructure, the managing staffs and all these things. So we'll be so I think this there are the lot of opportunity that we have. So the opportunity with the our company is basically phenomenal. So we need to engage and the understand this the hotel services that maybe this we can consume in future. And there are a lot of things that CP is working on in terms of this Internet of Things or the analytics, and CP is in a good position in terms of this the cloud infrastructure that they have put in now. Their the new the business in terms of this the application service management in SAP, Oracle, and Microsoft ERPs and this stuff is I think this is going to be a huge benefit for the clients, and it would be a great success for CFI.
Okay, thank you, sir.